Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix app not installed problem in your device Vivo Y22s. So if you're facing app not installed problem in your device Vivo Y22s, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix app not installed problem in your device.